When complete, the combined buildings will house nearly 600 beds, 30 operating rooms, 17 interventional labs for cardiac, vascular, and neurosurgical procedures, as well as 4 CTs and 4 MRIs. We anticipate that the new 2-story emergency department will accommodate over 60,000 visits, while the hospital will discharge nearly 27,000 patients. It's a big, big deal. This project is the largest development project in Western New York and one of the largest we've had in years. This is reform in action, and I think this is progress.
It will provide 30 new laboratories for biomedical research, an outpatient research center for volunteers enrolled in research trials, a medical imaging center for use in research, and a biorepository for storing blood and other patient samples that will serve as an invaluable resource for future research studies.
We are now not just the University at Buffalo or the University at Buffalo, but once again, true to our roots, we are the University in Buffalo.
It's not only about shared space, it's about a shared vision, a shared mission. And about 10 years ago, a group of folks came together in Buffalo and Western New York, great visionaries for our community, led by Tom Beecher, to create this extraordinary place that houses Hutman Woodward, that houses Roswell Park Cancer Institute, that houses Kaleida and Buffalo General Hospital. And it's been a great, great addition to Western New York's economy. And along the way, they decided to also rebuild a neighborhood that had been forsaken a long time ago. So when we talk about healthcare reform in the 21st century, it's happening right here in Western New York. And Western New York is still the land of hopes and dreams. 100 years ago, Buffalo and Western New York learned how to turn nature into power. 100 years ago, Buffalo and Western New York gave the nation and the world cancer research. And today, with this extraordinary place, on behalf of everyone who has worked so hard, the doctors, the nurses, all the clinicians, all the scientists, all the people who still believe that Buffalo and Western New York's place is an extraordinary healthcare destination, not only for the people that live here, but for the people throughout the region, throughout the nation, and throughout the world.
3, 2, 1, drop.